Hello everyone! Today we are going to make Snowball cookies together. These cookies have a very soft and chocolatey texture. First of all, we sift 2½ cups of flour. This will aerate and lighten the flour, which will help with the final texture of our cookies. When you're ready to add the powdered sugar, make sure to sift it first. This is because powdered sugar often has clumps in it. Powdered sugar gets lumpy really easily, especially in humid weather.
Time to mix the cocoa powder into the powdered sugar. Cacao lumps in batter are a common problem in cake baking. That's why we sift them thoroughly.
When using cocoa mass, the taste can be off, the look isn't great, and the texture comes out lumpy.
You'll need 1 cup of butter for this recipe, and it should be at room temperature.
Vanilla is a staple in most cookies, so you'll want to add a teaspoon to the mix. You're going to want to beat all the ingredients with an electric mixer until they're nice and creamy and fluffy. So what's happening here is when you beat the soft butter and powdered sugar, the sugar actually carves little pockets in the butter, which traps tiny air bubbles. Then when you bake them, that trapped air expands, which is a big reason why the cookies get a good lift. This whole process is what makes the cookies so light and crispy. It's basically building the foundation for them. Just add a 1/4 teaspoon of salt to the flour and mix it really well until it's smooth and there are no lumps. Now you can add the flour to the cookie dough. Use a spatula to mix it until all the flour is fully blended. Be careful not to overmix the flour or you'll activate the gluten. If the gluten gets activated, your cookies will turn out tough. I've got 3/4 cup of chocolate chips that I'm going to mix into the cookie dough. These chocolate chips are what give our cookies that amazing, rich chocolate flavor in the end. Just heat up your oven to 190 degrees Celsius. Line your baking sheet with some parchment paper, then take a spoonful of cookie dough, roll it into a ball with your hands, and place it on the sheet. Make sure to leave some space between them. Bake the cookies for about 7 to 10 minutes until the bottoms are a little bit golden and the tops don't look shiny anymore. If you made it to the end of the video, thanks so much for watching. It would be a huge help if you liked the video and subscribe to the channel. And if you have any questions about the recipe, just let me know in the comments. Take the cookies out of the oven and let them cool for 5 to 10 minutes until they're cool enough to touch. Fill a small bowl with 1 cup of powdered sugar and roll each cookie in the sugar until it's completely covered. Then put them on a cooling rack to finish cooling. Thanks for sticking around till the end of the video. I hope you bake these awesome cookies and share them with your friends.